This method is used when divisor is near to the base and it is greater than it. You can see here, see, transpose is equal to base minus, you can say, divisor. For example, suppose my divisor is 106, 100 minus 106, that is 0.6, you can say this way, negative. So this is also useful. Let us see how it is used. So we shall try now to use the transpose. Divide 3146 by 30. No doubt, many people will be demanding the trans of 13. Now we shall use the transpose method. See now, we put divisor is 1, 3, transpose is 3 negative, you can see. Base is 10, so transpose is minus 3. What we need is, how many D's are here? 2. So 1 less will be there, so you need here 6. In nickel, we are putting as many D's are in the nickel, we are using there. But here what we are doing is 1 less than that. And so now, remains is 3, 1, 4. Let us see now. We take 3 as it is. Now work will be carried out as it is there. 3 and 3 is minus 9. So you can see it is 8 negative. See now, you multiply this by 3, you are getting 24. 8 and 3, multiply both are negative, 24. And so you can see it is 28. And 28 into 3 bar, there will be minus 84. Now you can see here is 6. So you have to diminish it. So that how to, that I shall take you back. Let us see now. What you need is, let us see here what happens is, this you can see it is, this 84 and 6 is there. So it will be 7 bar, 8 bar. So obviously you can say, you can divide by 13. You can say it is 6 negative. You can take it back. So this you can say it is 78 is equal to, this is 13 into 6 bar. So you can add it here. And so you can say this is 3, 8 bar, 2, 8 plus 6 bar. And so it is 3, 6 bar, 8 plus 6 bar. By our rule, here is 2, this is 4, and 8 minus 6 is 2. This is answer. Do you understand it? How we are doing? This is 8 bar. This means 30 minus 8, obviously, and then add 2. So 30 minus 8 plus 2, 32 minus 8, 24, and this 8 and 6 subtracted, 242. You need only simple work to be done. So this becomes very simple, but if you understand it properly, then it will be very easy. I shall show you bigger also. The number divisible will be bigger. Let us see now. Same way, we shall start. Divisor is 104. Transpose T is 0 bar, 4 bar. Here are 3 digits. You need 2 digits to be taken here. 4 and 3. 1 to 1. Let us start the method. This directly goes 1. This product will go here. It is 0, 4 bar. 2 plus 0 is 2. Then it will be 0, 8 bar. So 4 bar, 1 minus 4 bar is 3 bar. And you multiply here, you are getting 1, 2. So let us check it out. So here 3 and 2, 5. 4 and 1, 5. So it is 3 bar. Obviously we can say it is, this quotient is 1, 2, 3 bar. So it is 1, 1, 7. Now question is here, 3 bar, 5 bar. What you need is, obviously, this negative side should be removed. And so, you should decrease 1 here. So, minus 1 is 116. Of the 1, 4 is there. And so, remainder is 104 plus 3 bar 5. And you can see it is 4, 5, 9. And minus 3 is 7 is the remainder. So here see, we had used our knowledge of negative number. Vinculum, we had used it, and so we can use it. So you can see, in spite of taking 104 big number, it becomes very simple. Once you need it, here no doubt, you need to have the knowledge of the negative number, or that is vinculum.